Hello Coiner family, welcome to another edition of Coiner Updates. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of the strategies that I use to stay profitable in a bear market. This is a strategy that I learned a couple years ago when I got into the cryptocurrency space newly, and this strategy helped me to survive my first bear market experience. So for a couple of months now, we all know that the cryptocurrency space has been very crazy. A lot of people has been losing a lot of money. You know, the bear markets have been very devastating. So I feel this is a very good time for me to come on here and share this strategy with you guys to help as many people as I can to recover their losses and hopefully stay profitable for the rest of the bear markets. So before we get into the video, if you are new here, this channel is dedicated to help you get a better understanding of the cryptocurrency space and how to make money from it. Though I don't share any financial advice, all I do here is to share my experience, my strategies, and any big opportunities that I find in the Web3 space that can help you make some money. Come on here to share with you guys so you can take advantage of it and we can all win together. So that's the sole purpose of this channel. If that sounds like what you're interested in, don't hesitate to smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon to join the family, and so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you just did that, welcome to the family. So let's get started. The strategy that I'm about to share with you guys is called leverage ETF or leverage tokens. So to get started, we're going to go through what is leverage ETF, where can you buy leverage ETF, and when is the best time to buy leverage ETF. So what is leverage ETF? Leverage ETF is simply buying a contract on a particular cryptocurrency, choosing the direction which the price of that cryptocurrency will go within a period of time. All right, as you can see right here, we have a list of leverage ETFs. Right, and you have the 3x category, the 4x, the 5x, and the 2x categories. Okay, so let me explain all this. As you can see right here, we have BTC5L and BTC5S. The BTC-L simply means BTC long. So if you buy this particular contract, it means you are predicting that the price of Bitcoin will go up, and if the price of Bitcoin is going up, you will be in profit. Then the 5 that is attached to it simply shows the multiplication of the profits you will be getting and the losses as well. So if Bitcoin goes 1% in your direction, because this indicates that Bitcoin will go long, right? So if Bitcoin goes up by 1%, you'll be in profit by 5%. If Bitcoin goes down by 1%, you'll be in loss by 5%. I hope you understand. And the short is just the inverse of the long. The BTC short simply means that the price of Bitcoin will go down, right? So if you buy this one, if the price of Bitcoin is going down, you'll be making profit. And if it goes up, you'll be losing money, right? And the number that is attached to it, that's the 5, also shows the leverage that you're trading with, right? So if Bitcoin goes down by 1%, you'll be in profit by 5%. If Bitcoin goes up by 1%, you'll be in loss by 5%. Okay, so if you're familiar with futures trading, you should understand this a lot better because they are both similar, but there's a difference. The difference is in futures trading, you have something called liquidation. And liquidation is permanent loss. So once you are liquidated, you are not getting the money back, right? And if you are not that much experienced in trading, the chances of you getting liquidated is very high, right? But with leverage ETF, there is no liquidation. So what it simply means is that when you buy this contract, the contract stays in your wallet. So even if the coin, let's say you bought BTC, even if BTC goes against your direction, all right, the contract will still be in your wallet. So anytime it comes back to your direction, you will recover your losses, and if it goes beyond that, you will be back in profits. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so now that we have understood what leverage ETFs are, so let's jump over to the chart so you can understand how leverage ETFs works a little more better. So right over here we have the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin is taking a free fall, right? So let's see when this massive fall started. Okay, this particular one started on the 7th of June, right? 7th of June 2020. As you can see right down here, from 7th of June to 18th of June, right? So let's go look at the leverage ETF chart and see how it reacted. So we'll go for the short, the BTC short, which is actually like inverse of the main BTC chart. So let's look at it and see how it reacted. So let's look at it and see how it reacted to the charts. So remember 7th of June, okay? So this is 7th of June right here. So from 7th of June, as the normal Bitcoin chart was dumping, the leverage ETF was pumping, as you can see right over here. And the pump stopped at 18th of June, which is when it made this high before this massive drop, right? So for someone that bought the leverage ETF on BTC short, while others were screaming for the market's collapse, the person is in massive profit, as you can see right here. So I hope you now get a better understanding of how this works. So this is more like the inverse of the price of Bitcoin. So let's talk about when is the best time to buy these leverage ETFs. In as much as this is a very good way to, avoid a lot of other things that make people lose money in the cryptocurrency space, there's also some things you need to avoid in this. So how I normally buy a leverage ETF is I combine it with fundamental analysis, which is what is going on the global economy. Like right now, some countries are already experiencing recession, and even in the US, recession is around the corner, and there's an increased hike on interest rates, and there's war in Europe and all that. So all these things are confluence to tell me that the price of Bitcoin will go pretty much down. A lot of assets in the stock market are going to crash, so I'm pretty sure that will happen. It's only a matter of time. What I'll be looking at as it is right now is a very good price to enter and buy some leverage ETF shorts on either BTC, Ethereum, Solana, or any of the top 20 cryptocurrencies, because I know that once BTC drops, the rest of the cryptocurrencies will follow suit. All right, so that's how I decide the best time to buy leverage ETFs and which direction to buy. All right, so with that out of the way, let's go to how can you buy leverage ETFs. And leverage ETF can be bought just as much as you can buy your cryptocurrencies on spot, because they will be stored in your wallet, just as the coins you buy on spot are also stored in your wallet. Okay, so there are a couple of exchanges where you can buy leverage ETF. One of them is the one I'm currently on right now, which is MEXC Global, or you can check Gates.io. KuCoin is also a very good one, and there are many more others out there. So you just need to do your own research on this and get a list of exchanges where you can buy these leverage ETFs and make yourself some money. So remember, this is no financial advice. I'm just giving you educational content so you'll be more knowledgeable on the Web3 space and also learn more how to take advantage of the Web3 opportunities. So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.